I am before leaving my narcissistic ex for 2 months, 3 days. I'm gonna explain about after the narcissist ex. Since I moved out, I couldn't eat fresh food, even though I finished all of it on my dinner plate. I felt sick but I didn't puke, I just couldn't eat it even though at all. I kept drinking fizzy drinks and liquids constantly, and I'm struggling to sleep. My body is hot and sweaty while I'm in bed. I fall asleep around 6 in the morning. I'm always talking about my ex, but the good times and the bad times, I can't stop talking about it to friends and family. And I can't do anything even though I'm free from what happened. There's nothing to do, I always wake up around 34 in the afternoon. But yesterday I woke up at 10 a.m. That's how I explain what I'm feeling also. I'm constantly eating. I use gaming with 4 friends for escape reality.